Hi, in this video we will see how we can change the MacBook desktop background. So let's see how we can do this easily. At first we need to click this Apple menu. We will find the top left corner of our desktop. This is the Apple menu. We just need to click here, then it will be expanded. From here there is an option, it is called system settings. We just need to access there by clicking over there. So I am going to click here the system settings, and the system settings window will be appeared over there. So on the left side we will find couple of menu options are there. One of the item is like wallpaper. If you are unable to find the wallpaper, you can do this search and you can start typing wallpaper, and then it will show related items related to that wallpaper. So if your version of MacBook Pro is different, then you can search by typing here also. So once we click the wallpaper, then right side we will see there are a variations of wallpaper are there. Here if you scroll, you'll find lot of wallpapers are there. To change the wallpaper, what we need to do, we just need to click any of this, and then if we click here, then it will show us the preview of the wallpaper. It's already applied, right? In this way we can easily choose the wallpaper which we want to use. So I just clicked this on, that's why the wallpaper is looking like that. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily change the MacBook desktop wallpaper. So after doing the changes, we can close this thing. So I'm going to close this thing, and that's it guys. Thank you guys for watching the video.